I still have some free space if I would like to change the riding position. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome back to another video. I am preparing myself for my trip to Slovakia. I am riding this time with the Bandit 650. This is a 20 years old bike. It's from 2006 and I had to prepare it for a longer trip. It is gonna be a 10 days trip. It is nothing special, you know, I went on some longer trips already, but you know, the Bandit, it's not really a proper touring bike, and that's why I decided to put some stuff, some gadget on this motorcycle, and I would like just to let you know what I did. Right now you will see the configuration of the bike, that it's almost ready for the trip. I bought some new stuff, I mounted some things on, and I right now really think that it is very ready and appropriate for such a long, 10 days trip. Let me show you what I have here. Regarding my filming, here I have the action cam mount, here I have the mobile phone mount. I am using the mobile phone for the navigation. It is a cheap option. This is from AliExpress. Both mounts, and for me they both work very well, and I can also adjust the inclination here, and the mobile phone can be both ways, so I can really adjust everything to my liking. Here I have the possibility to mount also the roll bag, and this is exactly what I bought. I am gonna show it right now to you, and I will also use the top case that I have here. It's an old top case from Kappa, as you can see it here. It's very old, but it's still in function. It's 46 liters and it still works, and that's why I am not gonna change it. One thing more, and here it goes the tank back, and it's a magnetic tank back, because you know, on the Bandit you have two options: either you go with the straps or with the magnetic tank back, and I have a magnetic one. Have to tell you that I received it as a gift from Franz, and you can check some of my videos with Franz. He has a lot of motorcycle. He is the owner of a motorcycle museum. Thank you very much, Franz, for this tank back. I am really happy with it. So the tank back, it is quite capable, 15 liters. I think it is possible to insert inside, and here you have a small pocket for your wallet maybe, and what is interesting is that this one is still an old school one, because it has the possibility to have the map on the very front of the back. I will show it right now to you. Here you can see how it looks like, and here you can have a classic paper map to navigate. I think that being a magnet tank bag really fits very well on the Bandit. If you are a bit taller just like me, I think that it is not gonna bother you, and even if you look to the steering, you can see that it steers very well. And here I have the rollback. This one I bought a week ago from Louis. It is from Moto Detail, and it is a 30 liters rollback. I just put inside some stuff to be ready for mounting, to be bigger right now. And right now I will just mount it for you, and then I will sit on the bike and let you know what are my thoughts. So let's do it. You have to put these straps here on each side. Here you go with this one. And then you have to put it around the rack because it has to be stable. It looks solid and stable. Oh yeah. Steering, it's okay. It's not on the way. Yeah. And the rollback, it's quite far from my back, and I still have some free space if I would like to change the riding position. Very good, I have to say it. And I think that it's gonna serve me very well. It is gonna be, like I said, a 10-day trip, and I really don't need more. So the magnetic tank bag that I got as a gift, the rollback that I bought very cheap last week, and the old top case. What do you think, guys? Is it okay? What is your opinion about my luggage options and gear? Please let me know in the comment. This was all, guys. I am getting ready for my Slovakia trip. Like I said, I may still add some things, and we'll see. Right now this is the final configuration, but I am still thinking, you know. This is all for now. Thanks for watching, and till the next one.